Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change home screen style in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to change your home screen style, so let's see how can I do this. Just here my home screen, there's the app drawer. You just have to open your settings and here just go for home screen settings, choose home screen layout, select home screen only and then select apply. So in this way you can disable your app drawer or app screen just like that. Your all apps will be moved to your home screen. So here just go for settings again, go for home screen, and here's the home screen grid. Just tap on it and here you can easily select your 4 by 6 grid or 5 by 6 grid just like that. After selecting, just tap on done. So here after doing that, just scroll down and here's the swipe down for notification panel. If your notification panel enabled on swipe down on your home screen, you can easily disable it. Just disable this setting, and after that, your notification panel will not appear when you swipe down your screen. So that's how you can easily change your home screen style in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.